close the door. Let me close the door. Hold on. So we can have our party. Let me help.
Close this one.
Okay, hold on. Be careful. No. This first. Okay, now we can party. Silly face time. Dance. Oh. Hold on. Shh. No. Ruby. No. Go over there. Bye.
Can you put John here with my book?
If I can do what?
John, this book.
Silly face time. Come here. Gabby. Come here, Gabby.
No.
Can you do some silly face? Wiggle. No? It's what? Dancing time? So dance. Go, Gabby.
Excuse me. Did you real wings, Uncle?
Yeah, it is. See, it's almost done.
It's the ring.
Dance. Woo! Chloe, why aren't you dancing? Dance. See? Riley's dancing. Go dance with her. See? Gabby. Where's the girl I know? Can you go dance and have fun? It's a slumber party. No? Can you look at me? Hi.
I think I need a pillow.
I don't know how to put this thing on. It's done? The music? This game is Elliot's game. I don't know how to play. Oh. Hi, Wilma. Are you dead? Wilma. See? Step on the dog. It's broken. No. Oh, it is. It's broken. This one isn't.
Do you know how to play this game?
No. There's Pac-Man.
You need Maddie.
No.
I'm trying to figure out.
Will? Ruby! What are you doing? What? Yeah, she's awake. I don't know how to play. I think it's broken. You'll have to ask Elliot later, okay? What are you doing, Gabby? Ava! Oops! This thing again.
Wow.
Hey, watch the tone of your voice. There's no one else playing. Can you guys go play with her? See?
Hey guys, Ava, you have to play good. You have to play. I'm playing the
What are you doing, Gabby? Gabriella. Gabriella.
Sit down.
Sit down, Gabby. Go. See? There's one more here. Ava, be careful. There's one.
I do. Okay.
What are you guys doing? Wait. What are you guys doing?
There's another one.
No, it's time
What?
to go to bed right now.
Yeah.
I'm not going.
The party's over.
No. Go to bed.
But you have to.
We don't want to.
Later, you guys can play more. Maybe another day.
No, I don't want